Health officials say more children getting COVID-19 and children's hospitals bracing for it to get even worse as the holiday season wraps up. Mayo Davison continues our coverage live from Children's Hospital Colorado to tell us more about what they're seeing, how they plan to handle the expected increase. Mayo?
The hospital says they are monitoring the situation very closely as the holidays come to a close, but they've already seen an increase in both cases and hospitalizations among children. It's a situation not only concerning to doctors, but parents of young children as well. Omicron is spreading, cases are rising, and now more kids are getting hospitalized with COVID-19.
That is a concern, I think, for any parent, and in particular one who is more vulnerable.
Laura Matisek is on lockdown with her family. It's not because she tested positive for the virus, but rather as a precaution since she's immune compromised.
With kids right now, we do have to remain that fully vaccinated children are not having the poor outcomes like unvaccinated children are currently.
Her daughter was going back to school in person for the first time since the pandemic started in 2019. But with Omicron rapidly spreading, that may not be the case now.
She has to contend with, and she said this to me, yesterday or the day before, Mommy, if I get COVID, one, I don't want it because we don't know what the long-term effects of it are. And two, I don't want you to get sick and go to the hospital and die.
According to a new report from the American Academy of Pediatrics, 7.6 million children have tested positive for the virus since it began. And 200,000 cases have been added this past week.
Along what other states are seeing, I think that we likely will see increased pediatric hospitalizations. And that really is, as I mentioned, really due to an overall increased number of kids getting infected.
He says they do have plans in place to deal with a possible surge, but they can't go into specifics since different scenarios will require different responses.
We're still really in the early stages of the Omicron right now. And so it's still too early, I think, as we talked about, to know how we're going to be impacted.
He says it's important the community gets their vaccine and booster to prevent the spread, and parents agree.
If we don't take every mitigation measure available to us, we're really failing. We are just failing our community, our students, our kids.
Children's Hospital says they're also seeing an increase in flu cases and multi-system inflammatory syndrome, which is a COVID-19 side effect that some children experience. They're encouraging the community to continue health practices such as masking and hand washing and to listen to recommendations from local health departments. In Colorado Springs, Mayo Davison, News 5.
Mayo, thanks. That